Good morning, children. Welcome to class 3. This is your English reader, and we are going to start our first lesson. But before we start reading the story, let me tell you something. We all know that lying is a bad habit. Our parents, our teachers, our friends all get very upset when we lie. But have you ever thought lying is also dangerous? It might put you into a lot of problems. One such problem is what the whole story is all about. Let us read and find more about the story. The name of the story is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Now I'll be reading one paragraph and trying to explain it to you, okay? Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy in a village. He used to take his sheep to graze in the nearby pasture. He stayed with the sheep the whole day and returned to the village in the evening. Here they are introducing the character. A shepherd boy. Shepherd boy is a boy who takes care of the sheeps. Okay, and he used to take his sheeps to a nearby land, to a nearby open area where there is lot of green grasses to graze around. Graze around means to eat the grass. The sheeps eat the grass, no? So that is called grazing. Okay. Now, one day, let us see what happened. One day, the shepherd boy took his sheep to graze in a pasture near a dense forest. After he had left the sheep to graze in the pasture, he felt very lonely and bored. Therefore, he thought of a trick. He ran towards the village and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf!" Feeling very scared and panicked, all the villagers came running to the pasture. See now, children, what has happened? The shepherd boy took his sheep to a land which is filled with green grasses near the forest. Now he was feeling so lonely, so what he did was he planned a trick. He thought to make a prank, okay, on the villagers. What did he do? He ran towards the village shouting, "Wolf, wolf." Now when people shout "wolf, wolf," the other villagers will also get scared and they'll get panicked and they'll start running for help, right? They'll all start running and coming for help, right? Now see what the boy has done. Now let's see what is going to happen in the story. However, when they reached, they didn't find any wolf in the pasture. Instead, the shepherd boy started laughing at them. See, they must have got really angry after seeing the shepherd boy laughing at them, you know. Since they did not find any wolf there, they got to know that they were fooled. They all got very angry when they realized that the shepherd boy had fooled them. The villagers scolded the boy and left from there. But the boy was extremely pleased with his prank. See here, the villagers got angry and they started scolding the boy and told him not to repeat it. But then the boy did not understand. He was so happy with the trick that he has played, that he has tried to fool people around. Let us see what happens later. After a few days, the shepherd boy again wanted to have some fun. He tried the same trick. he again shouted, "Wolf, wolf." Feeling frightened, some villagers came to help him again. But there was no wolf. They were enraged at the boy. See, in spite of the villagers knew that the shepherd boy is lying, some of the villagers believed him again. And what happened? They came for help. But then again, the boy fooled them or tricked them, right? So now they have got very angry with the boy. Now let us see what happens later. After a week, a wolf actually came out from the forest and started attacking them, attacking the sheep. The shepherd boy got very scared and shouted at the top of his voice, "Wolf, wolf, please help, wolf, wolf." However, no villagers came out to help the boy. They remembered the earlier times and thought that the boy was fooling them again. See, this is the after effect of lying. Since the shepherd boy had lied before twice, when the actual wolf came, the villagers were not at all ready to help the boy because they thought that he was lying again. Let us see what happened later. The wolf killed many of his sheep. The shepherd boy was very upset. When he came back home, he asked the villagers, "Why didn't you come out to help me?" They all answered, "Nobody believes a liar when he speaks the truth." Thus, the shepherd boy regretted his action and was in great sorrow about his lost sheep. See, this is what happens when you constantly lie. When you continuously lie, then people will not believe you, and they will think that when you're telling the truth, they will think that you are lying. Okay, this is the story that we have, and we have finished the story. I hope you like the story, children.